Hi, my name is Rene Neumann, and over the next few minutes will I talk to you a little bit what we have been up to here at ZP Systems for the last 6 months. During that time, we had a couple of software releases affecting all of our products. The most noteworthy are Nodegrid OS release 5.8, as well as multiple updates to our ZP cloud. We had multiple new product releases, including the Mini SR, which is an extension to our Nodegrid SR family, general 5G support for all of our SR devices, as well as the release of our SD-WAN app. Additionally to that, we presented our network automation blueprint at ONOC Fall a little bit earlier this year. The blueprint is a collaboration of different vendors as well as customers, and we realized as part of our collaboration with ONOC that a lot of enterprise customers are unsure about how to properly implement an automation infrastructure or even how to plan for one if they want to start on their journey in the future. And the blueprint is trying to answer this one. We released version 1, as I mentioned a little bit earlier this year, and we are hoping in 2023 to update the blueprint and provide even more information to our customers. But one of the important takeaways directly is that there are multiple key building blocks which need to be present in any environment to be fully supporting your automation journey. And one part of that is your out-of-band infrastructure. During the next few minutes, we will look primarily at 4 of these building blocks: the out-of-band management, the visibility, the out-of-band automation, and the secure out-of-band WAN connectivity. And we will look at the different features which we implemented over the last 6 months to help our customers to provide the services they need. Let's begin with the out-of-band management. The out-of-band management building block looks at the requirements a customer might have to access a device, even if it's not available currently on a network. The multi-cluster support extends our existing cluster capabilities and enables customers to create clusters which cross multiple locations and regions and provide them with central access to all of their systems from a single point. The new design enables customers to deploy HA environments. In general, allows the design for a 2-level cluster environment, supporting as well a global star deployment, as well as a global mesh to create an out-of-band WAN ring, as we have presented in the network automation blueprint. A second building block focuses on visibility and provides customers with the insight to understand what is happening in their environment, physically as well as in their network. To help our customers to gain more insight of what is happening in the physical environment where the Nodegrids are deployed, did we introduce earlier this year our sensor range. The available sensors cover a wide range of different environments, starting from an airflow and temperature sensor over temperature, humidity, dust particles for airflow, as well as relays and alarm beacons. The improvements which we introduced to our data lake applications specifically focus on our own sensors. They will make it really easy to deploy and turn the data which you gather with our sensors into information which you can act upon. The third building block looks at out-of-band or edge-native automation. So it investigates the abilities which are required to either perform automation asynchronously in an edge environment or in an out-of-band network in cases devices are currently not yet available on the network. Our ZP Cloud already made it easy to push configurations and scripts down to Nodegrid appliances to manage them as well as to manage attached devices. We now introduce dynamic templates, which make it even easier and enable customers to reuse existing templates by using variables in their scripts and configurations. With our new central management feature, do we enable all customers who are using Cluster to experience the same capabilities as if they would use ZP Cloud. They can push scripts and configurations from any Nodegrid which is currently part in a cluster, allowing them to centralize functionalities like backup, configurations, reuse of templates for more complex environments, and many more. With the release of our central management capabilities, did we introduce as well multiple examples which are hosted on GitHub. The examples should make it easy for customers to get started and hopefully enable them to explore more capabilities which exist on a Nodegrid appliance. The fourth building block looks specifically at security and out-of-band WAN connectivity. Security is the core of what we do here at ZPE Systems. This is reflected in two main aspects. For one, we keep our software and our infrastructure up to date and secure, and number two, we strive to follow industry best practices. Specifically, the latter is reflected in the fact that we got SOC 2 Type 1 as well as FirstNet certified and are currently in the process of gaining FIPS 3 certification. Earlier this year, we introduced 5G capabilities to our Nodegrid OS family, enabling our customers to provide connectivity and open up use cases in a wide variety of different scenarios, including branch office communication, Industry 4.0 applications, as well as many others. To support our customers who deploy our appliances in a wide variety of different use cases and all over the globe, did we introduce our SD-WAN app together with our ZPE Cloud. The new SD-WAN app really makes it easy to create out-of-band WAN connectivity from anywhere in the globe and supporting a wide range of different deployment options, including headends which are located in the cloud, in a data center or co-location, and much more. I want to thank you for your time. Everything what I presented to you over the last couple of minutes is now available to all of our customers, and I would invite you to gain more information from our webpage. There you can review our complete product portfolio, covering our data center solutions as well as our remote edge and branch offerings. The next few slides will outline the complete list of new features introduced in our ZPE Cloud as well as our Nodegrid OS. I want to thank you already for your interest, and I hope I can talk to you soon.